if Matix had a mascot, what would it be?
Yeah, Zero. Yeah, we're actually introducing one very soon. Zero.
Ooh,
Yeah.
it's very interesting that you both are sort of on extremities, caffeine and sleep.
Balancing.
Yeah, very well balancing. Got to know that you raised a round of $3.14 million recently. How does it feel to be back on campus as founders right now?
Seem like you do miss the people you were here with.
Hey everyone, we are here at CBS IIT Guwahati. I am Harshita from Anchor Enza and Radio G, and this episode is about a company that's trying to make maths feel less like homework and more like a sport. Imagine speed, strategy, mental math duels. Well, that's Matix for you. They've built a competitive platform where you can compete with people in real time. And before I turn this into a lecture, let's hear from the founders themselves. We've got with us today Mr. Sudhanshu and Mr. Mohan. Welcome to IIT Guwahati, sir. And as full of questions as I am right now, I would love for you guys to introduce yourself, but not normally. I want you guys to give us one fun fact about you. Could be as absurd and as random as you want. Please.
Thanks, Harshita. Thanks for having us in this. And this is the first time I'm in this room, this anchoring room. I also graduated from IIT Guwahati in 2022 batch. I did my BTech in computer science, and then I worked for 2 years in some other company, and then I started Matix in 2024 with Sudhanshu and my other co-founder Sushant. And yeah, it's good to be in the same campus again. Yeah, the fun fact about me is like, apart from this all nerdy things and all the work that I do, I love musical instruments mainly. So I do most of the time, like almost daily, I do practice some of the musical instruments. So right now I'm basically learning tabla.
Ooh.
And that's why when I was here, I was just looking into the musical instruments that we have in this campus.
That's pretty rare actually,
Yeah.
learning tabla. What about
Yeah.
you, sir?
Yeah, same graduated in 2022 from MNC Maths and Computing. Currently working on Matix, and I think like mostly the same introduction. Fun fact, I don't know. As just thinking of me being in your seat and like interviewing different people, and as in college in the part of ANR. So I was just remembering those days and how we used to prep for things, and we didn't have this massive setup. We just used to give people those small mics and have like one camera that will shoot everything. But yeah, just I used to do the same thing that you do.
This
right
must
now.
be very nostalgic right now.
Yeah, you can see his video like 6 years back.
I think it was 20. It
It
was shot in 2019 Jan something.
I'll look it up. Well, let's start with the obvious one. What is Matix and what are you guys trying to build? Like, what problem does it solve?
So, Matix is a vitamin product, it's not a painkiller product. What we are trying to build is a social challenge platform that is around smartness. So, which is why right now it's built on 3 pillars, which are memory, puzzle, and math. We will be expanding into other formats, but like you have an Instagram account, and anything that you post on your Instagram or anything that you do on your Instagram is basically you showing to the world how cool or how different you are or how good you look. Anything that you do or post or any interaction on Matix is going to be around how smart you are, and that is the social layer we're building. We believe as AI or just tech integrates a lot into people's lives, thinking is going to be extremely rare, and hence people who are smart would love to flex about, hey, I'm the smart one. It's the same as what happened with physical fitness, and then fitness, like now almost everyone goes to a gym. Same's gonna happen with cognitive fitness as well, and that's where Matix fits in.
I see. I think I read on one of your socials. I believe it is the tagline, correct me if I'm wrong. It said Matix where the smart hang out.
Yeah. We're still not fixated with one tagline. We're playing
I
with
see.
multiple ones. We have one where the smart hangout, the other is played smart. So yeah, anyone who's watching, whatever you like, do let us know.
Yeah, before this, I did my homework and I got to know that you raised a round of $3.14 million recently. First of all, congratulations on that.
Thanks.
And this is more like an intrusive thought than a question, but was it planned or did it just happen? Like the pie themed figure.
The pie theme was actually planned. We were going to raise like a slightly larger round than 3.14, but it just felt like the number would be on point with the brand. So,
We were actually raising a slightly lower amount, but then we were getting more inbound, so it was going somewhere around more than 3.14. So all of us thought, let's make it something that will,
something that
we can relate to
resonates
the
with
Matrix.
people and that can stick in
Indeed
people's
is.
minds.
It's actually a very interesting fact.
yeah.
Well, I have a lot of friends who regularly use Matix. I myself started using it like a couple days ago. But what do you think is that one thing that keeps users coming back? Like it's a non-negotiable for Matix.
It's a game that people play on the platform. We have lots of features on the platform, but one thing that's non-negotiable is like any bug that we find in games, like experiencing that's hampering the experience of users during the game, is non-negotiable for us. So that
Right.
should be taken as a most priority thing for all of us. So that's something that people are coming on the platform. If they're rating after every game, they're able to prove that they are smarter than their opponent. And after using that, if that's going well, then people will be using the other features, for example, messaging and other features as well. But that's something that's non-negotiable.
I see.
Yeah. The brain behind the game, the game engine.
So mainly to play duels with their friends, to have challenges of who's the smarter one, and as a result of which if your rating increases. So that's a good one, but mainly to duel with their friends. We've actually talked to a number of users who like put bets over the matches that they have against each other. So there'd be small bets like, okay, you'd buy me food from the canteen.
Yeah.
Or like we've talked to couples who maintain a split wise if they don't play against each other on Matix.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's
My-
very interesting. You know, I have a friend, and this is a very absurd thing. He's a math nerd, so he uses Matix regularly. And he had this one idea once कि he's gonna set up a lottery stall in like Alcher or something, and then he will challenge people that whoever
Or defeat him.
defeats him in Matix, he's gonna give
Yeah,
something.
I do that in office. Yeah, I think that works.
There is a very fun fact about the game engine that we are talking about. Like 2 years back, 1 year back, sorry, 1 year back when we started, we were building Matrix. We were basically testing our application in the production. So then there was a line of code as rating. After a game, there will be delta by which your rating will increase, right? So rating is equal to rating plus rating change.
Yeah.
So one of us basically made a change that goes like rating is equal to rating plus rating, and then everyone's rating was like keep
Doubling up. Oh my God.
after every match.
every
So,
game.
People must be very happy with that problem.
so Nansu got 70,000 rating at that time. We were doing gym, and then we got a call. What's happening? Then we just came back to house and then fixed that at that instant.
I see. Well, so how does it feel to be back on campus as founders right now?
I think it feels good. I feel like although like the buildings and everything is same, like you do miss the people you were here with.
Yeah.
So like any place that I'm maybe traveling around or any room that I'm looking into, so I'm rather having those flashes of okay, this is where I used to spend time with these folks. And I've actually sent a bunch of them messages since I've come to college. Sent them like a video of hey, this is how this room looks now. So yeah, a bit of that, but then yeah, just missing those people that we used to spend time with.
Is there any campus ritual you guys had that made its way into Matix that you still follow to this day?
I think for sure, like we have more than 50% people in our team from ITG. PDP, I guess.
Seriously.
Yeah, but apart from it, I think a lot of lingos do come into place because you're all from the same college, so you have the same lingos. Other people actually then learn them as well.
Same Alcharinga vibe, like people who are the part
Yeah, a lot of
Alcharinga
us
team.
are from Alcher team, so
Yeah.
Alcher से भी काफी कुछ आ जाता है.
Right.
But rituals में तो क्या और मतलब yeah, the lingos, juniors have to respect seniors, I guess the PDP thing. But yeah, mostly that I think.
I see.
So it
Talking
still
about
feels like a college only. So like everyone is our junior from the same college. It feels like we are in the same hostel and building the working on some projects. Like recently we did one event called Brumble, and it was like it felt like we are doing ulturing now. So everyone is basically sitting like all overnight, and then we are like basically hosting that event. So it felt like we are in the part of the ulture team.
it was Brumble, right?
Yeah,
What was
Brumble.
it about?
It's like inter IIT context. Yeah, we did.
Super
So
interesting.
it was based on the idea of inter IIT.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Well, talking about college and not talking about hostels, I mean, they're not mutually exclusive. So, could you share one hostel experience that you think is the most unforgettable for you?
But yeah.
I think being from Kaming, it was a whole different experience. So, fun fact. So, when you come to college in your first week, ANR does those fresher interview
Yeah.
videos, right? So I had a bunch of friends from other hostels, and mine was Kaming. I had a friend whose was Kapili. So we were both from the same city, and like there was a stark contrast between how the rooms looked because Kapili was newly renovated. Better washrooms, better rooms. He had a balcony, and Kaming is pretty old. So I think in that video I said that मेरा hostel तो Kaming है बेकार है इसका Kapil ही better है. Now that video comes very late, like I don't know November December, and by that time I've started loving my hostel. But then that video comes, and yeah, that was like then I could like. Even if I'm going for breakfast, there used to be like third year and fourth year seniors coming to me like, "तू वही लड़ गया ना, तेरे को तो देखते हम." Because I had actually said that my hostel was shit, and yeah, I think that was very wrong of me to say honestly. Like
I don't
I
think
thought-
it's wrong.
no, I do think that matlab, it's not wrong. Yeah, maybe I can say कि, yeah. See, the hostel doesn't become bad just because maybe it feels old.
First,
Over.
first impression is like you look.
हाँ,
for the
मतलब
first
that was
impression.
more like a first impression, but
Yeah.
like I don't think I could have gotten like a better hostel than Kaming, honestly. Like also with the kind of people that we had, especially in our batch in our hostel, I think it was like something else. So,
I think hostel grows on you. I am from Dhansiri jail hai if you have heard, but it just grows on you. That's much better now. So I think it's about people rather than
yeah, exactly.
whatever the building
the
is.
hostel is always more about people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So your story.
Yeah, I was in Dehing. First of all, like it's it itself doesn't have any story. Also, like I was more in first 2 years. I was more into like the academics. So I used to spend more time in my computer lab, CSE labs, and I was basically I do sleep at like 12 p.m. 12 a.m. in the morning, and then wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. So it was like my everyday routine, and in fourth year I realized that the whole campus lives their lives in that time period only. So I was missing the whole
But-
college life.
You were this ideal student that
Yeah,
everyone wants to
kind
be.
of, yeah. So I was थोड़ा सा like from the crowd.
I see. Is there any incident you recall in hostel which is like ये तो बहुत crazy हो गया अब तो dean के पास ही जाना पड़ेगा that sort of something.
डीन के पास जाना पड़ेगा. I don't think ऐसा
I-
किसी ने सोचा होगा.
I don't think you did because you were like very much into academics. So, well, did you guys have any PORs in college? And like, how did those PORs help you guys in building Matix?
I think for any POR or like we even right now have this criteria which is like we have a soft spot for people who have been a part of like a festival in the campus in whatever college they are or have headed it because it kind of comes from a place that they know what ownership means and they know that if you have to get things done you just have to do it like no excuses and that is the kind of mindset we want so we ourselves like have been heads. I think I was the external relations head of your क्या है,
Yes.
tech board And yeah, that I got in second year. Then also as the head of the finance club. Alger, actually, we had started a lot of things like that I still take pride in, because they have continued. Creators camping, the main
Yeah,
one out
I
of
heard.
it. Yeah. And multiple other things. So yeah, I think PORs mainly help you in just having that ownership mindset and knowing that excuses don't get you results. You might have to burn the candle at both ends or do whatever, but you have to deliver results. So, that's that.
Yeah. So for me, like again, I was more into academics, so I did not participate. I did not participate in any kind of clubs. So I think that was the worst thing that I did in the college. So I missed a lot of because most of the groups that you form in the college, that's mainly from some of the clubs, right? So that's why I was not able to. I was not a part of most of the groups in the college. So I think everyone should be a part of at least one or two clubs. I think Sudhanshu was a good example. So, ठीक है मतलब academics से तो like I got a good internship, but again like at a cost of what? So, I think everyone should.
Did you explore any of that in your last year, like after internship and all?
एक semester तो मिला था.
अच्छा. I
We
see.
were just there for the 8th semester, yeah. So I did explore lots of things, but I can't say on camera.
Sure.
Yeah.
We agree. Can you guys name one thing that IITG taught you that you still use every day at Matix, and one thing that it didn't teach you and that you had to learn quickly when you started Matix?
AI.
Oh.
Yeah, for
Sure.
sure.
But it blew me
Like
that
this
only.
time पे.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think one thing that IITG taught me was that organizations and formalities से चीज़ें खराब होती है, तो keep it honest and candid and raw, and things would be way better. That was, I think, one thing that IITG taught me. For what it did not teach me, like, yeah, for sure, AI tools, but I honestly think, and this I've said to a lot of people who have like at times asked me why not an IIT Bombay or an IIT Delhi when you were choosing college. Of course, I didn't have that in my mind when I was selecting a college. But in hindsight, like coming to IIT Guwahati, honestly felt like the best decision I could have taken. Like in hindsight on it. Especially because of the timing, like there were a lot of things that were not there in the campus right at that time. You would see a CNA doing a winter consulting thing,
Yes.
and a few other things. Like those are all things that we started. It's like crazy. Like we had that because there was nothing in the college, and we could just take up anything and be like, हाँ ये करना है. And I don't think being in like a IIT Bombay, Delhi, KGP, whatever, we would have gotten like the same chances because a lot of things there were mature already. While here everything was new. Like anything you take up, people would be like, yeah, karo. And yeah, that helped us do a lot of things, plus have that mindset of yeah, I can just
Yeah.
do
Mainly
things.
the mindset of ki you can do anything, you can just pick up things,
Yeah.
and you can just figure out how you have to do. That's the main thing that
हाँ.
people learn in the college, and that's
क्या करना है,
helping
यहीं
us, right?
सैक पे पड़े रहो.
Yeah.
And
You don't have to look for something भाई कोई और आएगा और मेरे लिए कर देगा. It's like कि you have to do all these things. Like, तुम नहीं करना.
and that helps a lot today when people don't have
You-
answers, no
you
one
can
has
do
the
that,
answers,
yeah.
and you have to just figure out things.
Right. That's great. It's like leaving a legacy behind that people follow
Yeah.
to this day.
Mhm.
Same events happening. See. Well, if you could introduce a course in IIT to build, the background of a founder. If somebody wants to learn from scratch, what would that course look like? What would you name it? The curriculum, anything?
For me, it should be entrepreneurship. I think.
मेरे को लगता है कि कोर्स नहीं होना चाहिए इसका.
मतलब
मतलब
एक्टिविटी टाइप का मतलब वो एक
हाँ,
सेमेस्टर का
मतलब
क्रेडिट
एक-
होना चाहिए कि
हाँ,
just go and build your
maybe
something.
credit हो and just give
हाँ.
people like 6 months कि we have a problem statement, solve for it.
Yeah.
Maybe
And
earn
in the
money
form of
if you
business.
can.
I think one of the best thing that IIT did in last 2 years, it was introducing 1 year gap
Yeah.
that people can,
Yeah.
the student can take.
It's
It's
very
like,
helpful.
I really love that idea. वो हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था. Otherwise we would have taken that chance.
हाँ, पर कोर्स नहीं होना चाहिए यार. कोर्स की जगह एक्चुअली लोगों से करो.
Lab ऐसे कुछ.
Yeah.
For me like I loved the lab वाला courses over the theory courses always. Practical में ज़्यादा मिलेगा. उसमें हाँ entrepreneurship पे थोड़ा सा एक तो होना चाहिए.
Did you guys think in college that someday you would want to start a startup?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's
Yeah,
where I
actually from the like I तो did multiple businesses when in college. Business भी पता नहीं उनको बुलाए ना
For
बुलाए.
example,
पर यार first semester we had sold notebooks made of recycled paper. We had
Nice.
called it Paper Need. It was me and a bunch of my friends. And our initial cost was zero and हमने 20-25 रुपए में बहुत सारी notebooks बेची थी. हम सब ने ऐसे 7-8 हज़ार बनाए थे per person. And yeah, that was like first semester. My dad used to give me like 3,000 a month. तो बहुत पैसा लग रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई यही अमीरी होती है. एंड या बट दैट वाज लाइक द फर्स्ट थिंग. उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स started pitching in a lot of competitions. वहाँ से पैसे आने लगे. Third sem starting we also sold t-shirts. It was a small insight on what would work. And उस तब t-shirts जो हमने बेची थी हमने 40-50 हज़ार पर पर्सन बनाए थे. इस बार हम 3 लोग थे. And हाँ then got into trading, traded a lot. उसके बाद फिर फेस्ट में चीज़ें चालू करने लग गए. Then I think COVID के टाइम पे मोहन and me were working on one thing that never actually panned out, but yeah. तो ऐसे मल्टीपल चीज़ें जस्ट कि हाँ करते रहो. तो वो था ही कि मतलब हम लोग तो बीच में बात भी करा करते थे, हाँ ये कर सकते हैं वो कर सकते हैं. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट इट्स जस्ट मज़ा आता था when you actually see someone like using what you made. It's like a different kind of feeling. Yeah.
Yeah, in the first semester itself, like when I joined IIT Guwahati, I got a mail from Gaurav Trivedi. He's a professor
Yeah, I
at
know.
electrical department. So he is starting building some startup, and he is looking for some interns. I was first year curious. I just went there, and then most of my first semester was there in the incubation center. I was building the mainly my idea was कि I should learn something, the app development and all. So but वही उसके बाद फिर like over the 4 years. Built 2-3 other startups, and one was Document. It was like competitor of Placto. उस time पे Placto release नहीं हुई थी. But again, I was like a product developer guy, so I just built a product. उसके बाद मुझे पता नहीं था अब क्या करना है. I was looking for someone who can handle the growth and the other marketing side of it. But yeah, it never happened. So highway in the whole 4 years, I was just building the product, but उसके बाद कुछ नहीं किया. मतलब या फिर after college then we made. So that's all the problem.
were you guys friends from the starting? Like, did you do any of these startups together?
We had planned on like we had talked about doing things. We used to discuss ideas, but we've known actually each other from class 12th.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
हाँ 12th में we
12th
were
में we were in the
JEE
same
preparation,
batch.
Yeah, same batch.
It's nice.
So coincidentally same batch, then same college.
Same city,
Then
Gurgaon.
while we are working, we're in the same
Oh.
city. So yeah, that just happened.
It was destined.
I
You could say.
yeah, you could say. Maybe.
Like, I have a rapid fire round now. So we'll go quickly. Please don't think it doesn't matter. But sure, you would think anyways. Okay. Chai or coffee?
Coffee.
First app you open in the morning.
First app, Matix.
Lovely. Start a book everyone should read.
None. I think Who Moved My Cheese.
Oh,
Yeah.
why?
I don't know the writer's name, but Who Moved My Cheese is like something I read
I've
every
never heard
month.
of it. Start a book everyone should read.
Yeah, I'm not a book guy, but I'm just started reading books. I completed my first book. That's a story of Flipkart, and I really liked it. So I'm reading my next book. That's still writing him. क्या नाम book?
कौन सी? Growth
पढ़ रहा था
Hacking.
कल.
Art of Thinking
Art of
Clearly.
Thinking Clearly.
Yeah.
कल ही पढ़ रहा था.
Yeah, I read a lot of books.
तो
So, worst startup advice that you've ever got?
प्रोडक्ट मत बनाओ, पिच डेक बनाओ, पैसे तो मिल जाते हैं.
Oh my god. One habit that makes a better founder.
discipline.
One skill you want to hire for next.
I would hire an AI generalist. Like I was thinking, an AI generalist intern knows how to use AI tools. Doesn't care whether the use case is in tech, I don't know, in customer care, product growth, whatever, but just knows how to crack and get the best out of AI tools.
Yeah.
You see, I think that is very important in the upcoming years too.
Yeah.
Favorite campus snack?
Ding biryani.
Yeah.
Seriously?
It's low biryani now.
But
It
started
used to be ding
we call
biryani.
it ding biryani, or a whole
Yeah.
batch call it ding
I
biryani.
see.
And तब बहुत अच्छी हुआ करती थी. अभी उतनी अच्छी नहीं है.
My 80% of pocket money would go into that ding biryani only. So every day I just used to eat. I skip lunch, I skip dinner at 4 p.m. every day. I was eating one full plate of biryani and then इतने पैसे तो होते नहीं थे. उठ के 165 क्या थी
हाँ,
बिरयानी.
Oh, a lot of people love biryani.
Yeah.
Just want to Lohit for it only. Well, night owl or early bird?
Night.
Oh, night owl or early bird?
Early bird.
I think it's still the same for you from first year.
Yeah, no, like बीच में तो change हुआ था, but now I'm fixing it again. So I'm trying to be early morning.
Like actually being a founder, you don't have the option. कि
we don't
मतलब
have to.
तुम
Like,
जगह ही रहते
I
हो.
try to fix it, but then again, if something comes up, I wake up whole night and then I पूरा खराब हो जाता.
This is for both of
I'm
you.
more like a disciplined guy, so
Sorry?
I'm more like a disciplined guy, so I try to follow one discipline. But बीच में अगर कुछ ऐसा break होता था, फिर मैं पूरा month या सब break हो
सब
जाता है.
break हो जाता है.
I'm not like he's like कि पूरे week में एक दिन सो जाएगा, बाकी week नहीं, पूरे दिन नहीं सोएगा.
Oh my
But
god.
Yeah, that's not advice, but it works for me. So
it doesn't work for me.
Would never work for me either.
Yeah.
Not sleeping. Okay, so if Matix had a mascot, what would it be?
Zero.
yeah, Zero. Yeah, we're actually introducing one very soon. Zero.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
See, the one thing you can't work without.
Caffeine.
One thing you can't work without.
One thing I can't work without sleep. Proper sleep.
Agreed.
हाँ मैं अगर 5 घंटे भी सोऊं तो मैं पूरे दिन काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I need at least 7 hours, 6 to 7 hours of sleep.
I think it's very interesting that you both are sort of on extremities, caffeine and sleep.
Balancing.
Yeah, very well balancing. You also mentioned you read a lot. Do you have any favorite authors that you would recommend?
Yeah, I don't go for authors. Like I mainly right now, what I'm doing is I go for themes that I pick and that I feel like I should read. I'm sure like biographies of different founders like gave you a lot of insights in okay how did like things work in their company, how were they thinking. So I think my first one was of Phil Knight, who's the founder of Nike. The book was called Shoe Dog, and I liked it a lot, and that started my reading biographies journey. I've read about a lot of founders and their stories since then. Favorite, of course, has to be Steve Jobs. I think Isaacson wrote it, and he's in general known to write really good biographies. So yeah, maybe him. Like he's in general known for that. Of late, I think one biography I read was, of course, of Deepinder Goyal, Unseen. Yeah, maybe that.
So you mostly read non-fiction only?
I read a lot of non-fiction that can add value, and at times, then you read fiction in the middle because you get bored.
Sure.
Yeah.
I also have a small exercise for the listeners. So you guys give us 2 truths and 1 lie, and they'll guess what is the truth and what is the lie. It can be about mathematics or it can be about anything in general. Maybe about maths, I don't know. Just
But-
drop statements.
Okay. Truth तो बोलते मैं lie बोल देता.
Oh my god.
ऐसे नहीं कर सकते ना. एक जना होता तो it would have been easier.
Any of you do it. Or both of you do it. We could have 2 questions.
ठीक है. I'm very bad at I don't know. Matix has 1 lakh daily users, and
That's first.
yeah, और क्या होगा?
You know, you could tell all truths or all lies.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, Matix has 1 lakh daily users. I loved all the professors when in college, and third would be this is the first time I'm sitting in this room. I guess, yeah.
What about you, sir?
Yeah. First would be before Matix, I started some other company. I started. Then Uh, I'm a pet lover, and uh, okay.
I love playing guitar.
We all know now it's tabla.
Yeah. Uh, I love painting, drawing, painting.
Now it's up to whoever's listening.
Yeah,
I don't know.
it's
You
okay.
can decode, decipher, whatever.
Uh,
So, you guys have scaled from a 3-person team to dozens. So, what was your hardest hiring moment?
Hmm.
Or like how hard it is to initially look for people? How do you hire first 10 members, let's say?
Yeah, I think for hiring now, you can't say ki something. If you follow this, you will hire a best candidate. You will just figure out a way to eliminate people easily or faster. Maybe this is something that uh, did not work out for you. मतलब तो इस तरह के pattern वाले लोग को add मत करो. इस तरह की
I think that is how everyone evolves. Hardest part is always firing people, because you're not just firing a employee code. You're like, it affects a
Other people
life
as well.
of many people. You know, it's not just one. So that always remains the hardest part. But yeah, hiring is, I think, a universal problem statement. And you
Like,
can
you just follow your gut feeling, talking to the people. You don't know na, like if you work with them, तभी you realize work like how good his work
which is why references from IIT Guwahati, like in
Yeah.
general, will help us. That's why we have more people from our college, because we can get more references for those people. They'd be better versed with the culture that we'd have, and also if someone's like a head in a fest, maybe then that helps for sure.
Do you guys have any stories where you felt like you're taking an interview and you just felt that this candidate is good or this candidate just is really bad?
हाँ, ऐसा तो होता ही है from time to time कि यार इसको तो लेना ही है या इसको नहीं लेना है.
vibe match.
हाँ, yeah,
Just thinking alike.
yeah.
Mainly वही कि work ethics कैसा है, वही reference is something that works. कि कोई किसी और के साथ काम कर रखा है, अंदर ये सीन है कि इसके वर्क एथिक्स काफी बढ़िया है, ये रात में बैठ के मतलब कुछ भी अगर ऑनर्स सेंस ऑफ ऑनरशिप, that's something required in the startup. In big company, for example in Google as well, everyone knows कि only 20% people drives the complete Google. Rest 80% में से कुछ लोग कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, फिर बस वहाँ के ऑफिस कल्चर
Snacks के लिए
है. But that won't work in a startup, right?
Right.
In a startup, everyone should be a team player, like individual होना चाहिए, मतलब
तो
100%.
बहुत सारे ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस होते हैं, लाइक इट्स अ वेरी क्विक यस और नो.
In the initial stages of any startup, do you guys think it's better to hire interns or full-time employees?
यार डिपेंड्स, अफोर्ड कर सकते हो तो फुल टाइम ले लो, मतलब डिपेंड्स ऑन कि अभी क्या चल रहा है. तो हायरिंग को लोग बहुत गलत तरीके से देखते हैं कि हाँ हायर करेंगे फिर इसके लिए कुछ काम होगा. सो वी हायर मेनली कि अब तो ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट हो गया एंड कोई चाहिए ही जो कि ये चीज़ करे हमारे लिए. तो देन इट ईजिली सॉल्व्स कि अच्छा ये कोई इंटर्न कर पाएगा या कोई फुल टाइम एक्सपीरियंस रहना चाहिए होगा हमें उसके लिए, एंड दैट इज हाउ वी हायर. तो चेंजेस हाउ यू आर अप्रोचिंग द होल हायरिंग थिंग.
Also in a startup में मुझे लगता है कि it's मतलब the people who go up in the ladder, जो काफी सीनियर पोजीशन पे जाते हैं, जो हायरिंग जो सक्सेसफुल हायर होते हैं, they are not कि we are hiring them for solving one problem. Basically they come, they identify the problems, loopholes, and they are putting their 100% to themselves solve that problem. So फिर वो ये कि हम फिर like if I'm giving him or her the honors or something, like मुझे फिर उस बारे में सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. He is coming up, problem, identifying problem. It's a founder mindset. So the best hires are people who are मतलब basically creating their opportunity for themselves, and they basically gaining the trust of the founders, and then they are getting basically promotions and all.
I see. Can you guys tell us one product decision that didn't work out and what you learned from it?
Any haven't worked out.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that is, I think.
It's like listening to users too much. It's like कि you have to identify कि what's your main problem that you are solving. Feature requests will be coming. Lots of people will request कि भाई मुझे ये भी डाल दो, ये भी डाल दो, ये भी डाल दो. If you keep listening to everything, you will just pollute your product, the main product. तो Initially, if you have the smaller team size, right? For example, WhatsApp अभी भी बस सिर्फ एक one core problem को solve कर रहा है. That's a chatting, simple chatting. वो कुछ भी ला सकता है, उसमें reel ला सकता है WhatsApp में, right? But वो नहीं ला, वो एक problem solve कर रहा है and then they have got billions of users. So I think people will keep requesting for different things. Team will keep suggesting the different ideas, right? Maybe that will work out, maybe, but that will deviate your mindset from building a core problem. That you're solving.
You need to
Yeah.
like focus on this one
One
direction. बाकी कुछ होता है तो ठीक है, पर you should not deviate. Yeah.
What is your favorite feature of Matix?
I think duels.
Duels ही है. Yeah, I love duels.
We are there for duels, but उसके अलावा भी हम लोग puzzles वगैरह भी कभी कर लेते हैं, मतलब daily challenge भी कर लेते हैं.
Yeah,
कर लेते हैं.
daily challenge. Now I've started. So बीच में we had this this feature of unlimited puzzles. तो मैं काफ़ी खेलने लग गया था. Because I could just do it from time to time. But I think the best features would be like, मतलब अभी जो भी features है सब I feel like are in a V0 V1 state of them.
Yeah.
And as they evolve तो और मजा आएगा. Acing duels we've actually launched.
Yeah.
That is my.
It's like
I
really
like
good.
that a lot.
It's like
Yeah.
earlier it used to happen कि if when two users are online, then only they can match,
Yeah.
right? If we are friends, if we both have to be online at the same time. But now using duels में, I can play my part and then I can challenge you. You can come and play your part and then the game will.
It's like how your interaction with a friend happens on Instagram.
On
They'd
chat.
send you a reel,
Right.
or they'd put up a story at some other time. You'd see it at some other time, but you'd be talking around the same thing.
Conversation.
So here you could have like the same match, but you're not online at the same time. That's what racing duels is.
That's actually great. 'Cause usually people are not online
Online,
together.
that's
Yeah, exactly. So that's also.
I see. Well, this is my favorite question. When I came up with this, I was like, bingo. So, where do you guys picture Matix in next 3 years, 1 month and 4 days?
We were talking about 3 years तो अभी flight में. Yeah, when we were coming. I think in 3 years तो Zuckerberg would be sitting in his washroom thinking shit क्या हो गया.
Oh yes.
in 4 days. 4 days क्या? 4 days.
In next 4 days, you are
3 years, 1 month and 4 days. Like 3 years,
3
then 1
years,
month
3,
and
1,
4
4.
days.
अच्छा, yeah, Zuckerberg. Okay, I thought different.
3.14.
Yeah.
Bingo.
तो हाँ, Zuckerberg would be shitting his pants. Yeah, mostly.
Let's hope so.
Yeah.
That's all I had for this. So before we go, what's one piece of advice you'd like to share with young founders, especially from IITG, who are trying to build by graduation?
या स्टार्टअप कल्चर नहीं है कॉलेज में बताऊँ. आई
हाँ.
थिंक काफ़ी सारे रिसेंटली में मैंने देखे हैं, हमारे जूनियर्स बैच में भी काफ़ी सारे स्टार्टअप्स अभी आने लगे हैं. तो दैट्स अ गुड साइन. हमारे टाइम पे कुछ भी नहीं था, मतलब एक तो कुछ कल्पिट के ऐसा
अंकित
अंकित नागोरी जैसा, बट वो काफ़ी बड़े हो गए थे, तो रीचेबिलिटी बिल्कुल नहीं थी. तो स्टार्टअप कल्चर बनाओ इन द कैंपस एंड किया टेक रिस्क, मतलब दिस इज द टाइम.
हाँ, take risks.
हाँ,
मतलब just take risks.
फॉर मी, मैं अपना एग्जांपल दूँ कि मैं मेरे लिए रिस्क लेना इजी कैसे हुआ. लाइक आई जस्ट थॉट इट लाइक कि मैं मास्टर्स करने जा रहा हूँ 2 साल के लिए, एंड इफ मतलब अगर मेरा कुछ नहीं भी होता, अगर तो भी लाइक आई विल हैव अ really great learning in that 2 years and I will get a real much better job than people who are doing masters. So that's something that you can think of. इसमें भी हमारे पैसे भी नहीं लग रहे. Masters में लोग 1 CR campus loan लेते हैं and then they are spending 2 years of their time.
I think college में just like make the use of their time the most. मतलब वेले मत बैठे रहो, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो. Like as part of so many clubs or as doing something else, fest में कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा था कि भाई there 24 hours and 24 hours is a lot. Classes तो anyways लोग कम ही जाते हैं, तो then you have like a lot to do. And हाँ, वही सबको करते रहो. प्रोफेसर्स की थोड़ी कम सुनो तो हेल्पफुल रहेगा.
And everyone should utilize their 1 year का gap वाला चीज जो IITG provide
हाँ,
करता है. I think that's a
yeah.
really good thing. Germany में in fact people do spend 2 years of their time after class 12 and before joining college they just explore the world, figure out कि उसमें उससे किसमें interest है. and then they choose their college based on कि उनको 2 साल में क्या learning में क्या interest है. So this is something that this is the golden time, I think, golden opportunity for everyone. Everyone should utilize that 1 year का वाला gap.
I think the problem here is that education system is very rigid and we associate every academic achievement with worth. So if somebody takes a gap, I think it's that problem that what will people
Yeah, I think
say?
that's where the mindset has to change. If
Exactly.
everyone made it to IT, like,
Right.
you already know you're in the top 0.1% of people in India.
But
now,
यहीं पे मैं sorry for cutting over. कल ही मैं इनसे डिस्कस कर रहा था कि even if we made it to top 1% या top 0.1% in India, but if I'm looking at Zomato, जो इंडिया की one of the top company है, वो भी वर्ल्ड में मैं देखूँ तो 800 something पोजीशन पे आ रही है in the terms
पर
of
वो भी
valuation.
वर्ल्ड के 0.1% से तो बहुत बेटर कंपनीज में है ना. Like there are number of companies in the world.
हाँ मतलब वही कह रहा हूँ कि वर्ल्ड में अगर देखा जाए तो like फिर भी if you see yourself as a कि कहाँ पे पॉइंट करोगे मतलब in वर्ल्ड वाइड तो you are मतलब at nowhere like after.
हाँ पर मतलब यार बेसिकली एक मेरे को ये लगता है कि लोग अपने वर्थ अलग अलग चीज़ों से क्यों अटैच करते रहते हैं, बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि अगर मैं इससे खुद को अटैच नहीं करूँगा तो आई एम वर्थलेस.
Yeah.
पर ऐसा नहीं है यार. यू हैड वर्थ, दैट्स व्हाई यू मेड इट हियर. इट्स नॉट दैट ये यहाँ पे तुम आए इसलिए तुम्हारी वर्थ है. सो देयर आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. IITs आर have like meaning because you and other smart people like you go to that college. It's not that कि वो कॉलेज में आके तुम स्मार्ट हो जाते हो.
Right.
उल्टा होता है भाई, कॉलेज में आने से पहले लोग ज़्यादा पढ़ रहे होते हैं, ज़्यादा दिमाग लगा रहे होते हैं. तो या IITs have value because you are there. तो just believe that कि हाँ भाई मेरी वजह से चीज़ों में वैल्यू आती है. I don't need to attach my worth to any particular thing that a professor says, a friend says, a relative says, or maybe मेरे जो CGPA आता है. Just believing in yourself कि भाई I have some value and hence I can take risks. Worst case, you know, you can think of your worst cases कि हाँ worst case में ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा. And yeah, life has its own ways of figuring things out. You have to just believe in yourself कि मैं random चीज़ों से खुद की worth attach नहीं कर रहा हूँ. And believe कि I have just that value alone by myself. So yeah.
Thank you for saying that. I think that would help a lot of people, me included. I think that's all I had for now. Well, thank you so much, sir, for coming here. It was great having you. I honestly learned a lot from your experiences.
I said टाटा जैसे नमक देश का कोई ऊपर बैठा मेरी मेहनत सबर देख रहा है. कौन है जो खोके भी नहीं खोया, खोके मिले खोके खोने से. consequences